Hi everyone, my friends. This is Karib Weller. Today I'm going to show you what to do if you have a black screen in OBS. First, check if the eye icon is enabled here. This might be causing the black screen, and make sure to select the correct monitor in the screen capture settings. Okay, next, if you want to capture a game, make sure the game is running. To do this, click the plus sign and choose either window capture or game capture, which means you're capturing a specific window or a game. Here we're selecting screen capture, and you need to start the process you want to capture here first, and only then should you select it. These are the basic steps. Additionally, you can go into the advanced settings and select the highest process priority. This is important. You can also go to Help and check for updates. You can also try restarting in safe mode. That's all you can do within the program, like I mentioned. Next up, software-related computer issues that might come up. First off, always run OBS with admin rights. Because sometimes, well, games like Genshin or some Call of Duty titles will just show you a black screen because you didn't start OBS in admin mode. Well, with admin rights. Alright, the next thing, let's try going into the settings. Here, type graphics, graphics settings, okay? And of course, add the application here. Well, either we search for it or add it. If it's there, great. If not, then add it. Click here, then search for OBS. I think it's in Program Files. Yeah, OBS Studio, bin 64-bit, and OBS Studio. Add it. Alright. Next, go back to Search, click down, and accordingly choose Optimization. And here choose High Performance and your video card. This is a must. This is to allocate more power for OBS. That's pretty much it. If this doesn't help, the only option left is to reinstall OBS Studio. Alright. But also, make sure, by the way, that your screen is in place. Alright. Right-click your mouse and accordingly enable preview and lock the preview. This is so that you can't, let's say, accidentally drag it around. That's all for now. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.